A massive controversy has erupted within the State Police Department after a video and photos featuring the wife of a police constable from Dhalai district showcasing bundles of cash went viral on social media. The widespread circulation of the footage immediately triggered a swift reaction from the law enforcement administration, prompting top officials to intervene late Saturday night.
Following media broadcasts of the viral images, senior police officials rushed into action. A high-level meeting was convened late Saturday night at the West Agartala Women's Police Station to assess the situation. Deputy Inspector General of Police Ibar Montak reportedly reached the police station at midnight to directly oversee the proceedings and coordinate the initial line of inquiry. Addressing the media regarding the development, the IGP Ibar Montak confirmed that a formal case has been registered and a thorough investigation is underway.
अभी एक केस तो रजिस्टर हुआ है, उसका छानबीन चल रहा है, तो एक ऐसा तो मिला नहीं है। जो मीडिया रिपोर्ट है, जो वीडियो हमारे पास है, उसका छानबीन चल रहा है। अभी इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो भी आएगा आप लोगों को बता दिया जाएगा।
Security agencies are currently verifying the authenticity of the social media posts, checking the source of the alleged wealth, and mapping out potential networks involved as the investigation deepens. Portable Pranav from Chini, Khorang.